rain! Coconut milk down! Ugh. Got that perfect plating skill down. Oh, this is stinky. You know, it may not be beautiful, but it looks fun. You know, to me, this encapsulates the holidays. Messy, but fun. Okay, whew. So the mousse part is big. It's thick, it's kind of dense, but it's not like, oh my gosh, I can only have 1 or 2 bites. Dense. But then you have the coconut cream. Very light. I wonder if I didn't let the can of cream chill long enough, because it wasn't thick. And it's not quite fluffy. It's not like a cloud whipped cream. It's a little more like a stream whipped cream. The peppermint flavor, I think it's just the right amount of peppermint. I mean, I can taste it. This is very pepperminty. It kind of reminds me of peppermint fudge, and I like that. There's a lot of textural differences here with the kind of dense fudge-like sticky mousse, and then the kind of watery, airy, but runny coconut cream. It's a bit of a mess and I love it. So my friends, I hope you have an amazing week. Let me know if you try this. If you do, leave a comment down below. How did this turn out for you? And if you have any tips for me on how to improve the texture, please let me know. So my friends, I hope you have an awesome week. And until next time, stay flawed.